Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove PIN password on Facebook Messenger. So first you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your messenger right here. Launch your messenger and then tap this three lines at the top left corner. Tap this gear icon or the settings on your messenger application. Scroll down and then click this privacy and safety. Once you tap this, you can see different options and features right here, but you have to look for end-to-end encrypted chats. Tap this one. You can see security alerts here. If you tap this, then you will have, or you can turn on the security alerts. Now go back and then tap this message storage right here. When you tap this, you have to scroll down and then you have to click this turn off secure storage. So as you can see, any new end-to-end encrypted messages won't be back up. But if you really want to turn that one off, if you want to remove the PIN, you just have to turn that one off. Or you can also delete secure storage if you want. So in this way, when you open your messenger, it will not ask for your PIN. So that's how you basically remove PIN password on Facebook Messenger. So you can open your messenger to any device without entering pins or codes. So if you want to suggest a topic or if you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.